Laser Cutting Machine Troubleshooting Guide. 1. Incomplete cut. Increase laser power output to enhance penetration capability. 2. Black spots. Replace contaminated or damaged focusing lenses, causing residue marks. 3. Irregular circle. Check gear reducer backlash and mechanical gaps affecting precision. 4. Rough edges. Optimize cutting parameters, speed, gas to improve surface smoothness. 5. Slag adhesion. Adjust assist gas pressure, for example, oxygen nitrogen to remove molten debris. 6. Burrs Formation. Recalibrate focal point position relative to material thickness. 7. Laser overheating. Verify water cooling system functionality and temperature stability. 8. Nozzle burning. Inspect gas, purity, flow rate, and replace oxidized copper nozzle components. 9. Wide kerf. Modify focal length to concentrate beam energy density. 10. Edge roughness. Reduce cutting speed to allow proper material melting. 11. Beam instability. Align and clean optical path mirrors, lenses for consistent focus. 12. Excessive dust. Enhance exhaust systems, or implement zone-based cutting strategies. 13. Lens fogging. Eliminate oil mist contamination in optical compartments. 14. Head collisions. Add microjoints for small part retention during cutting. 15. No guiding beam. Inspect fiber connections and laser source alignment.